Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be inside a traditional Khmer wedding? I'm about to take you on an emotional journey through one of Cambodia's most beautiful cultural ceremonies. Now, this isn't your typical wedding. Imagine days of celebration. Yes, days. Khmer weddings can last up to 3 days, each packed with meaning, rituals, and colors you'll never forget. Let's start at sunrise. The groom's family arrives with gifts, fruits, desserts, even roasted pigs, woven into a parade of laughter and music. You can smell incense in the air. This is called the Hai Guan Gomlo, the groom's procession. It's not just a formality, it's a way to show respect, to say, "We're here, we honor your family." Then comes the hair-cutting ceremony. Sounds odd, right? But this tradition is all about new beginnings. Both bride and groom have a tiny lock of hair snipped, symbolizing a fresh start together. Friends and family shower them with blessings and jokes. Yes, jokes. Because even in tradition, Khmer weddings are full of joy. And here's my favorite part, the tying of the knot, called Sompeyas Tem. The couple sits together, while elders tie red strings around their wrists. Each knot holds a wish: happiness, health, long life. There's music, laughter, and sometimes a few tears, because this is the moment everyone feels it. This isn't just about two people. It's about families, ancestors, and community. Of course, you can't miss the outfits. The bride wears a sparkling silk sampot, her jewelry shining as brightly as her smile. The groom, just as dapper, stands proud at her side. The colors? Gold, pink, green. Each one chosen with care, each one carrying a story. As the sun sets, the celebration turns into a feast. Tables overflow with Cambodian delicacies: fish amok, sticky rice, tropical fruit. There's dancing, laughter, and the unmistakable sense that you're part of something ancient and special. But what really makes a Khmer wedding unforgettable is the feeling of unity. Every ritual, every song, every shared meal connects the past to the present. It's not just a wedding, it's a living, breathing story. So next time you pass by a wedding tent in Cambodia, remember, behind those vibrant curtains is a world of tradition, love, and hope for the future. And if you ever get invited, say yes. Trust me, you'll never see weddings the same way again. Thanks for coming with me inside a traditional Khmer wedding. If you love exploring cultures as much as I do, hit that subscribe button for more journeys around the world.